There is a tip on how to work with openings in Home Planner. First, let's add a second floor to demonstrate it. Click Add Furniture, Build, Add Level. Now go back to the Build menu. Select Windows and Doors, Openings. There's a variety of openings with different designs. Let's pick a simple one and add it to the room. With the latest update, you can drag openings onto any surface, walls, floors, or ceilings. You can use them as skylights, decorative rosters, or decorative panels. Since openings are transparent, if we switch to the first floor, you'll be able to see the second floor from there. You can also recolor an opening with any color or material. Feel free to experiment with this tool in your projects.